gentle smell, the soft bitter patter of the rooftop as it rains. It's all I need, set me free. These darkening times and my building worry, anxiety has the best of me, so I do what I can to make it through. Bring me rain, over the mountains, through the valleys, let the rivers run free. Soft bitter patter of the rooftop, bringing peace to my soul. Bring me rain, it's all I could ask for. As the sun gets a little too high and no clouds in the sky, I start a little melody, and the wind picks up for me to roll in the heat of the day. Calm your nerves with a little ice and gentle breeze, and if I'm lucky, bring me rain, over mountains and past valleys. Let the rivers run high, and the smell of rain in the sky. Nothing could be as relaxing in this troubled time to me than some rain. Not too much, not just a little bit more than what we need. And bring some rain for the people, and bring some rain for me. Rain, bring me rain, gentle bitter patter of the rooftop, bringing peace to my soul. Bring me rain, when the clouds block out the sun. The gray of the sky, a comfort sight to sore eyes, and the fresh air to my lungs. Been inside way too long, need somewhere to run. Let us run. Oh. Bring me rain, over mountains, past the valleys. Gentle bitter patter of the rooftop brings a peace to my soul, and all I can think. Bring me home, bring me peace in this trapped soul. Make my strength